Señores y señoras, hey, les voy a enseñar un video cortico de cuando el ajustador ya hizo la inspección y llegó y te aprueba el techo así de fácil. Mírame todo ese video y compártelo. Yeah, you wanna be over here? That's why I'm like, no.
I was up there, I went to that flue cap, I felt that fire coming out, I was like, oh, they got a nice warm fire going.
Mm-hmm.
Do you guys want a coffee?
No, I'm good. We'll get out of your way. So, you do have hail damage to your roof.
Oh, we do.
Yep,
Okay.
to the shingles, all the vents and everything up there, so we're gonna do a total roof replacement.
Okay.
Not much around